Hello friends, my name is Swell Saudagar and today's Viva topic is difference between OPS and POPS. OPS and POPS. So let's start with OPS. OPS means Object Oriented Programming Language. OPS treat data as a critical element in the program development. Does not allow the follow freely around the system. That means OPS. In OPS, major emphasis on a data rather than produce a function. Function, that means a method. It ties data more closely to the function that operate on it. It product it from additional modification from the outside function, that is the consider OPS. The data and object can be accessed only by the function associated with that. The however function of the object can access the function of the other object. C++, Java, .NET, Python. ACT example of this is the example of the object oriented programming language. Same characteristics of object oriented programming language. Program are divided into object. A function that operate the data of an object are ties together the data structure. Data is hidden, cannot be accessed by external function. Object may be communicate with each other through the function. New data function can be easily added whenever necessary. Allows button. And next is a procedural oriented programming language, that means POP. In the procedure oriented approach, large programs are divided into smaller programs known as a function. In POP, program written by a sequence of a procedure of function. In POP, each produced function contains a series of instructions performing a specific task. Next one is during the program execution, if a procedure function can be called by the processor. To call a procedure function, we have write a function name only. While we connected into a development function. We give every little attention to the data that being used by various function. Global data are more vulnerable to accidental change by the function. Example of procedural database procedure programming language. COBOL, Fortran, PASCAL and C programming language. This is a POPS programming language. Thank you.